Hi parents, we got a couple of requests for a little more explanation about lesson 8.4 and 8.5. So I'm going to model lesson 8.4 for you, adding using a 100 chart. So I have an oversized 100 chart here, I hope everyone can see, and I'm going to model these 4 examples. We've been noticing that children have trouble in 2 areas. The first area that they have trouble with is understanding why things are placed on the 100 chart the way they are. So we made a little schema here to help kids understand that when you move from left to right, every time you're increasing by 1. So as the numbers go on the 100 chart, every time you move over to the right, you're increasing by a 1. Tens go down. So every time you move down the 100 chart, you're increasing by 10 every time. So kids just need to memorize this. Every time you go to the right, you're increasing by 1. Every time you're going down, you're increasing by 10. The other area where children are having trouble is understanding the second addend, or one of the addends, I should say, whether you're adding ones or whether you're adding tens. If a number has 1 digit, you're adding ones. If the number has 2 digits, you're adding tens. So what we like to do is we like to identify where we're going to start. So on 54 plus 3, I'm going to begin on the number 54, and I'm adding 3 ones because there's only one place in that number. There's only 1 digit. So I find the number 54, and I'm going to slide my finger over 3 times. 1, 2, 3. I land on the number 57. On the second problem, I'm also going to begin on the number 54, and I'm going to add the second addend. This has 2 digits. It's 30, which can be identified or can be described as 3 tens. So we have to go back to our schema. Remember that when we add 3 tens, we're going to go down the number chart. So starting on 54, we're going to move down 3 tens. 10 more, 20 more, 30 more. Here's your answer, 84. One more time just for practice. This is a little bit harder of a problem here. You would not want your child to start on 8 and count on 26 more times. You're going to want to have them start on 26 and count on 8 more ones. Now children will have a hard time here because they'll get to the end of the line and not know quite where to go. Remind them to do a return sweep to 31. Okay, so start on 26 and I'm going to count on 8 more. 1 more, 2 more, 3 more, 4 more, 5 more, 6 more, 7 more, 8 more. There's your answer, 34. Okay, on this problem, you are going to begin on the number 26 and you are going to be adding 8 tens. So starting on the number 26, and remember tens go down, you're going to add 8 tens. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10, 6 10, 7 10, 8 tens. There's your answer, 106. Okay, give your kids lots of practice with their 100 charts and adding up to 100. It can be a difficult concept if your child is still confused on adding ones and adding tens. Keep at it, they'll get it.